So in this problem, we're told that a total of 28 handshakes were exchanged, and the question is how many people were present. And the key thing in this problem to realize is that each handshake is a result of two people pairing up. And essentially, we're looking to find the number of pairs of people that we can choose from a group of a certain number of people. So this is actually a combination problem, and the order doesn't matter. And what that means is that if A shakes hands with B, it's the same as B shaking hands with A. So here, this is just counts as one handshake. So we can either use the answer choices here, and in that case, you would just have to pick some number if you want to start with C. So the number of ways you could pair, or I should say find the number of pairs people in 14, a group of 14 people would be 14 times 13. And you do have to divide by 2 times 1. That is to account for this. And if you simplify that number, that's 91. So that's too much. So obviously we have to go lower. If there are 8, it would be 8 times 7. Divided by 2 times 1. And that does indeed give me 28. So the answer is D. So that's one way to do it. In general, if you're looking at n people, because this might come in handy in other cases, the number of pairs I can select would be n times n minus 1 divided by 2. That's the same as 2 factorial. And this is the equation we need to solve. Now, in this case, this would be a quadratic. I think it would be easier to just plug in the answer choices to find which one works out as opposed to solving the quadratic, but one can do that as well. So to recap, the answer is D.